Hello friends, welcome to another YouTube channel. In today's video we will see the new feature of iOS 16, that is focus mode. I'm going to settings and I'm going to focus. In focus we have a couple of options. The main one is do not disturb, which we already know. We can enable which apps can send the notification. We can also silence notifications from. There are a lot of options, and we can also allow people to call us or message us during the do not disturb mode. Here I have allowed repeated calls, that is, if a person calls me twice or thrice, one after the other immediately, then I'll receive the ringing and the notification. If the person calls me once, it says the person you are trying to speak is busy or do not disturb. I have also allowed calls from my favorites, that is, I have added a couple of people, family members, close friends to my favorites list. So if they call me, the notification will come. Otherwise, all of the notifications will be off. You can turn on this do not disturb mode automatically while you are sleeping. Like if you know your routine, like if you are sleeping at 10 p.m. and waking up at 5:30 in the morning, you can set the timer over here. You can also set the dates like Monday to Saturday, Monday to Sunday, which day you are sleeping at what time, like that. And you can also add filters like app filters, which apps should send you notifications, send you reminders during the do not disturb mode. So selected apps will be notified when this focus turns on or off. You can also turn on low power mode when you have the do not disturb mode on. You can also set your appearance like dark or light. Same way we have a couple of other focus modes. One is driving, which is very useful during driving. And the good thing is you always have a couple of options automatically enabled, that is default features of each focus mode. Like if you go to fitness, you will see a couple of fitness apps which are already added. Now I have removed it. Otherwise you can add like gratitude, or it will also suggest a couple of options, like I can add health app and heart rate app to be there in the fitness focus. Fitness focus is generally used while you are doing exercise in the morning, or while you are going to gym, or if you are walking or jogging. You can also set a couple of focus modes like reading, sleep, work, and each focus mode can have its own home screen, so that you can set a couple of home screens in the iOS 16 like this. And you can enable and disable them just by clicking like this. So if you set a couple of home screens for each focus mode, you can set individual home screen, so that when you are in the focus mode work and you are in the workplace, you will only access the work related apps shortcuts on the desktop or the home screen, which is very useful if you are a busy person, if you are handling too many calls, or if you are running a business. It's very important for you to be on the wheel and to focus on your schedules. If you are running behind the schedule, these focus modes will really help you to get your job done. This is a very simple yet very futuristic and useful tool which iOS 16 has given us. Thanks to Apple. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you are liking my video, please share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Until that, keep watching another YouTube channel, guys. Bye bye.